Good day, everyone. Today, our generation has already developed advancement and technologies, and one of those is programming. So in this video, we're going to tackle about how are we going to apply our knowledge in advanced mathematics and using our programming skills. Our chosen method in this project is Cholesky method. Cholesky method, if A is real, symmetric, and positive definite matrix, then it is Cholesky factorization, where U and upper triangular matrix are shown.
There you go.
In the programming process, we use Visual Studio Code and compile those code in Python. We will be discussing the detailed process of programming later on.
So define if the function is symmetric. So check if the matrix is symmetric. So store the number of rows. Then loops over the upper triangle of the matrix, including yung mga diagonals. Ito. Then, if any pair of mirrored elements is not equal, the matrix is not symmetric. So, return false ka dun. So, if all compared elements are equal, the matrix is symmetric.
Now, let's check if the function called Cholesky is performing the Cholesky decomposition of a symmetry positive definite matrix. And dito stores the dimension of the matrix. Initiate lower triangular matrix L with zeros dito. And then for dito naman, dito initiate an NXN lower triangular matrix L filled with zeros. Loops through each element of the lower triangle. Then if I equals to J, it checks if the element is on diagonal. Then if dito naman sa dito, if I equals to J, it calculates the diagonal elements using the Cholesky formula. Papakita na lang mamaya. Okay. Then, else, for of diagonal element, it computes the value using the formula. Then, dito, iba naman yung formula dito. Then, returns, dito naman, it returns the lower triangle matrix to L. Babalik dito.
So next is print the resulting lower triangular matrix if decomposition is successful. So ang gagawin natin is define a 3x3 symmetric positive definite matrix. So ito yung 3x3 symmetric. So next is check whether the matrix is symmetric. So check it if the matrix is symmetric and performs the Cholesky decomposition and stores the result in L. So ito yon, performs Cholesky decomposition and the result is L. And next is print a message to indicate the result and print each row of the lower triangular matrix L. So ito yung tinutukoy ko, print lower triangular matrix L from Cholesky decomposition. For row in L, print row. So next, the last is if the matrix is not symmetric, display an error message. So print matrix if is not symmetric, Cholesky decomposition cannot be performed. So ito yung ilalagay. So that's all. Thank you.
And for the last video, click the run and may makikita kayong run debugging. Click this and wait for the result. And And as you can see, ito yung final answer for the Cholesky decomposition. That's it.